Welcome to another ModularMind tutorial. Today, we'll be building an automated workflow to stay on top of the latest AI news. First, we'll gather the most recent posts from OpenAI's blog. We add a prompt telling ModularMind to visit their blog. We will instruct it to extract the post titles, URLs, and publish dates specifically. We duplicate this stack to include another AI news source, the AlphaSignal newsletter. It shares the newest info and developments in AI. Again, we will enter the link to AlphaSignal's content page so ModularMind can pull out post titles, links, and dates. Then, we will make a new stack telling ModularMind to visit each post's link, read the content, and summarize it. We connect the OpenAI stack to this one to summarize their latest news posts. Let's duplicate this stack to also summarize the AlphaSignal's news. For more AI news, let's check YouTube. We will build the stacks to find the most popular YouTube videos about AI news from the last week. First, let's go to YouTube and search AI news. We will filter the results to get videos from the last week with the most views. Then we will instruct ModularMind to visit this link and extract the video titles and links. After that, we will make another stack to get the video transcripts from their links and summarize them. We tell how it can find the transcripts of each video, read it, and summarize. We'll connect this stack to the previous one to gather and summarize the transcripts of the videos we found. Finally, we will add one last stack to take all the news collected and summarize it into a report called Latest AI News. We will connect the prior stacks to this final one. Now we're ready. We can click the Run Chain button to execute the chain. Notice how each stack and web page visit runs simultaneously, gathering info from multiple blog posts, newsletters, and videos at once. In seconds, ModularMind visits multiple sites in parallel, collects the latest AI news, summarizes them, and creates our report. This automated workflow saves us tons of time and keeps us up to date on AI. With ModularMind, you can easily build automated workflows like this to maximize productivity and streamline your work. Leverage the power of AI to curate digests and generate reports. No coding needed.